Check out this 2009 GMC Sierra 1500. Carfax has certified this Sierra 1500 as having one owner. This Sierra 1500 has just under 66,000 miles. For your protection, this vehicle has a factory warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 14 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 20 on the highway. This Sierra 1500 boasts a 5.3-liter engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the SLT Preferred Equipment Group, Summit White, Dark Titanium, Light Titanium, leather-appointed front seats, GVWR, 7,000 pounds, 3175 kilograms, emissions, federal requirements, rear axle, 3.42 ratio, refer to engine axle chart for availability. Engine, Vortec 6.0L variable valve timing SPI with active fuel management, 367 horsepower, 273.7 kW at 5,600 RPMs, 375 pounds-ft of torque, 506.3 Nm, at 4,300 RPMs. Engine, Vortec 5.3L SPI Flex Fuel with active fuel management, capable of running on unleaded or up to 85% ethanol, 315 horsepower, 234.9 kW at 5,200 RPMs, 338 pounds-ft of torque, 456.3 Nm, at 4,400 RPMs. Aluminum block, requires TK10543 models. Transmission, 6-speed automatic, standard, on T10543 models, included and only available with Li5, LMG, LH6, or LC9, Vortec 5.3L engines. Included and only available with L76, Vortec 6.0L SPI engine or L9H, Vortec 6.2L SPI engine on all cab types. SLT Convenience Package, Rear View Camera System, LPO, Assist Steps, Chrome Tubular, 6 inches oval and the Suspension Package, Off-Road. Call 888